do you want? Yeah, we'll use your buttons. What do you want? What do you want?
And that's all what will happen when your cat can talk. Have you learned a little bit of their language?
Why are you so bad?
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
放开！你给我放开啊！你给我坐，是吧？啊！
哎呀，笑死我了！
哎呀，不能解释啊！
起，啊喵！nha nha 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 nha.
Can you give a squeak? Yeah, thank you. Hello! Hello! I'm not ready to go to bed yet. Hey, honey.
Can you hold on?
Bro, it's so hot. What's the plan? Let's have some milk. Couldn't agree more.
Meow meow. Meow meow meow.
Inside an introvert's mind, there are always two sides of thought, saying hi or walking away.
Welcome! Welcome!
Oh, it has already chosen.
Favor! Are you kidding?
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Do you wanna play? Coming in. Coming in.
Hello. Hi.
Yay!
Hey, what noise does a pumpkin make?
Murph, are you scared you summoned the Great Picasso? What do you want to do?
Did you just eat a bug?
A lie has no legs. What a bad liar.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to eat?
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so.
How much more of a circle can you be?
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Have to go now. Yes, we have to go inside. Yes.
Can I have one bite? Really, just one? Never mind.
Brennan, dinner is at 8 o'clock. You understand?
This child expresses all the qualities of a master in negotiating.
Why not? You hungry now?
I wonder how its mom feels hearing this. Or it's just she's gone to sleep already. That will be bad.
You're okay. No? Are you mad at me? Okay. Really, Blue? No! You can't get out yet.
This grumpy boy literally says no all the time. He definitely won't be satisfied with anything.
衣服都坏了。
Gordon, you have a while till dinner. No.
Das darf doch nicht wahr sein. Jimmy, hast du mir schon wieder die Mülltonne umgeschmissen? Weil ich einmal den Deckel nicht drauf mache? Du hast vor 5 Minuten gegessen. Und da ist nur Müll drinne. Plastikmüll. Ah, warum machst du das denn immer?